To stop your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from flipping your selfie, first you have to enable Save Selfie as Preview on Camera app. To do so, open Camera app and then tap Setting icon at the top left. Under Selfies section, tap the gray on offset next to Save Selfies as Preview until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will save your selfies as they appear in the camera preview without flipping them. So when you see your selfie, it will be like seeing yourself in a mirror. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.